Welcome back. It's Fabulous TT. And I am coming back with an unboxing of Temu Diamond Art Painting products. So stay tuned. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the description below and be a part of TT Squad. So the first thing I grab is the little, craft knife. So this is going to be a good thing. I've been needing one of these. That's why I went ahead and ordered one of these because I got tired of pulling back the film where I could just cut it. So, and of course they sent me a random color, which I'm glad I got silver. I wanted pink because y'all know pink is my favorite color, but this would do. So they come with like a little protective top. This thing looks sharp. So I'm glad I got this. This is going to be good. Put that to the side. And I was trying to see how much. I can't remember how much this was. Thought they was going to send me like a little receipt thing. But they didn't. So I want to say this was under $1 for the craft cutter. Next thing I ordered was some little baggies, which it got kind of ripped up from in the package, but they this size, which is good for put your diamond painting, your diamond, little diamonds in a little Ziploc baggie. So these, it came with us 100 packs of these. This was $1.99. I do remember this price. So y'all know I had to get me some more wax, which this was a 50-piece set. I got the color blue, so yeah. Because I'm going to have to order some more of these too, because that wax be going fast, y'all. Y'all do a lot of diamond paintings. I'm doing one right now, but it's like 13 by 30. It's real big. The one I showed in my last video. I'm almost done with her. So stay tuned for that update. I do a lot of updates on my shorts, so stay tuned for that. And this was under $1 for these. So this is the little tape that you put around your diamond art painting. I just ordered one. You know how the sticky part around your diamond painting, it be sticky. So you put this type of tape around that so you don't, get dust and dirt on the diamond painting. Which is good. And this was 89 cents as well. So I so love this. So this is a diamond art painting roller to keep your diamonds in place really good. So this was $1 too. This is really cute. I can open this one because it got a little Ziploc baggie. But yeah. This one, they also saying has a random color. So as you can see, you got yellow and lime green, which that's cool. So this, which I'm glad I only ordered one because look how big it is. This is a little slip on your diamond painting. So when you got your diamonds in the little thing, I don't have it with me, but you know how you put your little diamonds in a little craft thing like this, inside of this, and it be moving when you be trying to do your diamond art paint. So this slip is for you sit this on your diamond painting, and it's supposed to hold the diamonds in place while you doing your painting. So this was $1.99 as well. Let's see, do they got the name on this? No. And I did order in the color pink. They had it where you could choose a color for these. So pink. So this is one of my diamond art paintings I got. It is a size 20 to 30. And I don't remember what picture I got. Oh, this is the one. This is a forest picture. So yeah, this is going to be great. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a small painting. I can do this for one day. One day, baby. One day. But yeah, this is the forest. Look how pretty that is. I like Temu little paintings. It's like practice you know, and then you get the real Diamond Art Club paintings, and then you'll be ready once you do this, okay? And here's the little diamonds, all the diamonds for that picture. And of course, you get your accessories, which I appreciate the extra wax and the pen, but I already got my wax and my favorite pen I like to use when I'm doing it, so that's a plus. So yeah, I'm not going to start on these diamond paintings until I'm done with the one I'm already doing. So yeah. Okay, put that to the side. So I got my clips right here. I use this for my diamond painting. So it came with 2 for $1. Like all this stuff I got a good price on, which is really great. So you put these at the top of your painting on your light pad, which I did order that, guys. So stay tuned for that in this video. But you put this on your diamond painting onto the light pad for to hold the painting in place. So yeah, this is a good catch, guys. Please get must have. All right, and then I got like this cute little, it's like a little doggy diamond art painting holder, which I feel like now I'm not gonna need it, but isn't that so cute? Like, look at the little booty. But yeah, I got this. This was $1 as well, 98 cents, $1 from Temu. And I think this is what I think this is which the best thing, well, one of the best thing about this accessory haul is the diamond paint sealer. So I really wanted this. I had to cop that. It came with like a little brush. So this was $4 for these 2 together. This is a must-have. This is going to seal your diamond art paintings. So please get that. Here's my other diamond art painting from Temu. Let's open it up. This one looks a little bigger than the other one. I guess I won't be looking at the sizes when I be ordering. I just go by how the picture looks, and I just order it. But yeah. Oh yeah, this one is, oh, this one's big. This one's big like my other one. Excuse me, y'all. Sorry about that. Oh, this one's really nice. So, yeah. This was a nice size painting. I'll give it to them on that. This one is a 30 by 40. And it comes with a diamond art. The diamond art diamond. And another accessory pack, which I love. We keep that. And put that to the side. Alright, the best 2 things I say for last is we got the universal stand. And y'all know what color I got it. Pink. It better be pink. Let's see. And she is. So yeah, I guess I gotta put it together. But this was $7. Maybe under 7, 5 to 7 for the painting. Not the painting, the stand from Temu. And then we say the best for last, y'all. Best for last. This is the light board. Now, I hope it's big enough. I hope it's big enough for my paintings. If not, I will have to order another one. So, let's see. Let's open her up. Oh, she kind of small. That's okay. It's something to get started with. But they had it nicely wrapped. And these are directions for the light pad. Come with a USB charger, which that's great. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I love it. So I could use this for my little paintings from Temu. But yeah, this is nice. So you set this on your stand. And you could brighten your diamond painting set while you doing it. And I've been waiting on this for 2 weeks. But all this stuff for 2 weeks. So I'm just so happy that I got everything. So everything in the package, the whole package deal was $50 for everything. That is a go. So y'all stay tuned for more Temu unboxing. Thank you. It's Fabulous TT. Bye.